Hi guys, so in today's video I'll be sharing our tips on how to start your courier service in Nigeria and delivery service in Nigeria. I've made this video 8 months ago. I've been getting thousands of email from a whole lot of people who are interested to start this business, and in that very video I told you I was going to do a lot of research to get more details, and I'm going to do a part 2 of the video. So today is the part 2 of the video. So if you're interested in this kind of video, please do it. Get your paper, get your pen, sit back and enjoy this video. It's good, and so I don't want you to lose at any point. Just get your phone, get your writing pad, and just sit back and enjoy this video. I promise this video is going to be a 10-minute video, and today I'm collaborating with a woman I admire, love so much. She's Extra Step CEO on YouTube. Yeah, you can check. I'm going to leave her name and everything in the screen. Please check her out, subscribe to her channel. She talks about how to make money online, a whole lot of ways to make money online, offline, businesses to start Nigeria and abroad. She's an amazing woman. Please check her out. Her link will be in the description, and let's also watch her video.
Hello, it's so good to grace my Port Harcourt Queen's screen today. Yes, I call her my Port Harcourt Queen. I'm doing this collaboration with Uche Nwezi, where we'll be talking about business ideas that you can start after the pandemic, like to live the 9-to-5 working life. Yes, we need something more. Okay, there you get to see why I'm called the Extra Step CEO. Okay, when you come over to watch my video where I shared business ideas that you can start, if you write it in the comment section that you're from Uche Nwezi, my Port Harcourt Queen. Thank you.
Yeah, welcome back. So today's tip, I wrote down a whole lot of things, so in case you see me looking down, I'm looking down with my writing pad, so I won't miss out on any point I'll mention today. So get something, just get ready for this video. And I've also signaled a lot of people that sent me email that I'm making a part 2 of this video, so a whole lot of the questions they're asking me, so they'll come to this so they can watch the video. And also you guys know what courier service is all about. I mentioned it in the first. If you've not seen the first video, I'm going to link it in the description below, so I won't go into what courier service is all about and all those stuffs. I mentioned in my first video. So like I mentioned, I have a whole lot of things to read out, so this video will not be lengthy. Okay, yeah, the first thing is choosing. So important. You can't be doing delivery service and choosing something, a name that doesn't befit a delivery service. Do you understand? Or delivery service, now I've seen a whole lot, like waka delivery. It shows that waka in Nigeria means you're going up and down. Send easy, send now. You know, names that that befits your service. You understand? So try and get a business name, and once you get a business name, to get the CAC certificate before someone else register that name. You understand? Then when that is sorted, I think it's about 15,000 to 20,000 to register your business name. Then bike specification for people in Lagos. Yeah, they have the bikes, you know, Lagos State with a whole lot of rules and regulation, you guys. So but if you're in Lagos watching me, Lagos has a particular bike specification, so I think it's about 200cc engine. I'm going to leave it in the screen. Yeah, so find out the bike specification for the state where you are. In Port Harcourt, I'm in Port Harcourt making this video. In Port Harcourt, there is no bike specification, because this is something that I've sat down to talk to a lot of delivery people, and I've gone for training. So I'm giving you a first-hand information here, trusted first-hand information that you might not see on. I paid a lot of money to get this information. Yes, trust me when I said I paid a lot of money. You understand? So anybody in the delivery service that you can talk to, ask them the specification of the bike in the state where you are in. Then the next one is bike track, is hiring rights. Yeah, try as much as you can not hire your friends or relatives. You guys, yes, hire rights, let them have 2 guarantors. Make sure that people you've gone to the house, even if it's not you, kind of your assistant or something, you know, just, you know, you have to present this is professionalism in your organization. You know, even if you can't go as the CEO, you send someone that you trust to go and know the person's house. To get the person must get 2 guarantors, and those 2 guarantors, you get their number, people walking and not just people on the street. You know their house, know where they stay, get their phone numbers. 2 guarantors, very important. Yes, so you guys, if you want to use your friends and family, fine. But me, when I'm dealing with businesses like this and I don't want any form of excuse, I like using people I don't know, just to trap people. So if you operate, if you want to operate just within your city, if you want to operate outside the city or internationally, so it depends on the level you want to start with, and that's the level you want to operate with. Yeah, the next point is type of person you want to dispatch. If it's food delivery, make sure you're just doing just food, and if it's other things, clothes, hair, shoes, basically every other thing, just know the kind of the things you want to deliver. State it out. If you want to deliver all of them, then you need to have different bag for food and people's items. So you don't want to carry someone's fresh tomatoes and someone's human hair that the person bought for 100,000, and the next thing the fresh tomatoes or the pepper will meet in the human hair, and client complaint and all those things. So to avoid that, if you want to mix the two, both the food and the other item delivery, you need to get separate bag for it. So you know this bag is for food, this bag is for. I will not forget to mention online presence. Oh yes, online presence is so important. There's a whole lot of markets in Instagram, on Facebook, these two places, and on Twitter too. You need to have a market, have a page on Instagram, dedicated to your business, not your own personal page. So the business page should not have anything to do with your name. Everything business, let's say, is waka delivery. What is your business like? The services you provide, delivery services, dispatch services. You put in the address, phone number. The phone number should be as a WhatsApp number. It should be a WhatsApp number where people can chat, where people can call, and it should be a number that is always reachable, straight to the some important, so important ones: fuel, fleet management, pricing, bike maintenance, crisis management, route mapping, accounting and record. And I will not forget to mention some certificates that you need. Yeah, you need a NIPOST certificate. Yeah, you need a NIPOST certificate where you register first. I paid 20,000 on NIPOST, just documented your business name, definitely, and everything, what you're into. There, I think to get the license is about 250,000. Yes, to get the license, NIPOST license, to make it, I think that's the only license you need for operating a delivery service in Nigeria. So you need to get that license. That is so important. Before now, it wasn't really necessary. People just register their company and go about their business. And you also need a local government and certificate. That one costs about 50. A whole lot of things to cover in this very topic, and I don't really want this video to be lengthy and having 20 or 20 or 30 minutes video. No, I'm going straight to the point so you can understand the key things you need to start up this business. But if you want a one-on-one consultation, or you want a one-on-one discussion, or you want like a group discussion where I'm going to add up some other persons that are good with this business, or a group discussion, I'm going to leave a link in the description. Please link in the description, click on the link. It will take you straight to the WhatsApp group so you can join the group and also learn, because I might probably not say everything in this video. Like I said, this video will just be a 10-minute video. This is, you are the CEO of this business. You need to carry your business literally on your head, because you're a small business. A whole lot of delivery companies started before you, so you are trying to buy the heart of people, and make sure that you have a good customer care base. Make sure that is so important. If you need more points, if you have more questions, more inquiries, and you really want to get full details of how to start your courier service or delivery service in Nigeria, please click the link in the description so it can take you to the group. So I'll be there waiting for you to teach you and to instruct you on what. Yeah, I think that's all for this video. Like I said earlier, I don't want this video to be lengthy. I have a whole lot of things to share. With you, but I might probably not share it here, because like I said, that the video is just 10 or 12 minutes max, so I won't give out all the information and make the video too lengthy. So for more details, link in the description. Extra Steps CEO, and for this collaboration, yeah, please don't forget to check her out, subscribe to our channel, tell her you're coming from Uche. She's an amazing woman who God gives our channel is so loaded with information. If you just need a way to make money online, little thing you can do online to make money, please check our channel up. On my video too, check out our channel too. On my video I have a lot of videos with businesses to start in Nigeria, a whole lot of business, a whole lot of video about businesses on my channel. So check out my old videos, and if you have questions regarding any video I put up about business, also my Instagram handle will be here, so you can reach out to me on Instagram so we can discuss. So much for your time, and don't forget to visit Extra Steps CEO and subscribe to our channel. Very important, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Okay, till I come your way next time, please, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a thumbs up to this video, leave a comment in the comment section, and reach out to me on Instagram to be here. You reach out to me anytime you want to reach out to me. My DMs are always open for questions, inquiry. Thank you so much, and God bless you all for watching. Till I come your way next time, I met your girl Uche, vlogging from Port Harcourt, Nigeria. God bless you all. Bye bye.